So I started off by making sections. Now I'm taking subsections about 1 inch apart and I'm wrapping it around the curling wand and holding it for a couple of seconds.
You can move around or
Now I move on to my next section. I wrap it and notice on some of them I do a slight twist towards the end of the hair. Usually when I hold the hair in place I count to about 5 or 8 seconds and then I drop the hair.
sorry, so you remove all that? Yeah.
Now I'm moving up to my next section. Once again, I'm taking subsections about 1 inch apart, wrapping with a slight twist towards the end, then dropping. I do some curls with a twist, some I wrap around the wand regular, and then I have them going in different directions. So that at the end, the results will be different types of waves for a more beachier look. I'm now starting on the sides. Notice how my partings are getting smaller. I've taken 1/2 inch subsections, I'm wrapping it around the curling wand, and I'm dropping it. Notice how I'm leaving the ends out. I'm not twisting the ends around the iron because I want that to look more beachy, and I like when the ends look straight and the rest has a little bit of wave to it. I don't want it to look like a curl from a curling iron. Now I'm finishing up the look. I'm going to spray a little dry texture spray because I like when there's a lot of texture on a beachy wave look. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to break it up. Also, if I went a little high with the barrel of the wand and the curl seems too close to the scalp, I'll go in with a flat iron and I'll flat iron that part of the hair so it's smoother, like you see here. This is the finished beach wave. I did this in 3 minutes. It was a very quick video.